Hey guys, this is Darren with EastsideSportsCards.com, home of the box breaking madness. We're in the madness pit today, and we're going to be doing a personal box for David Hackett. This is a 2015 Panini Clear Vision football hobby box. As you can tell, it is steel sealed. Let's go ahead and crack it down for you, David, and let's go ahead and get the contents to you as well. So, good luck, bud. If there's anything you want me to send into grade on this order, let me know, and we'll go ahead and take care of you, okay? As you can tell, empty box right there. Good luck, bro. Good luck. These are beautiful cards, guys. So you got Clear Vision. You've got a Clear Vision Joe Namath. Really nice. Right there. You've got Sean Monahan, 44 of 99. Rookie Clear Cloth. Rookie Clear Cloth right there. And that's 44 of 99. Then you've got Bishop Sankey Clear Vision sophomore standouts. That's pack one of this. So small. Hopefully Panini didn't put their points in here. No, it's got something else in here. Tavarius Thomas. Tavarius Thomas. There's that right there. Leonard Williams, rookie for the Jets. Really nice stuff. Ben Roethlisberger. And guys, if you haven't gone to our website, please get a chance to go to the website, EastsideSportsCards.com. It's got personal boxes, case breaks, all that good stuff. So here we go. Gronk for the Patriots. Gronk for the Patriots. We have Odell Beckham Green, or Dorell Beckham Green, Clear Vision, 85 of 99 rookie. There you go. It's a nice piece. Get that into a soft and top load for you. There's that right there. And then you got Marshawn Lynch, rookie revision. Him in a Bills uniform. There's that. Yeah, it's good stuff. Come on. Good stuff. Looks like we got something in here too, so maybe a piece of cardboard. DeMarco Murray for the Eagles. DeMarco Murray for the Eagles. Boom, right there. Piece of cardboard. But we did get Todd Gurley. He showed his face. Wish that had ink on that. Boom. There's that. Jay Cutler, rookie revision. This is nice stuff. You have, let's see what we got in here, guys. Clear Vision, Gerald and McCoy. Here we go. Brett Favre, Clear Vision, Clear Winners. That's a beautiful card. Look at that. That's really nice. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. And then you've got Zach Martin, Clear Vision. Right there, bang. Last pack of the box for you, David. Let's see if we can get something huge here for you. Some Kung Pao chicken here. All right. Calvin Johnson. There's that for you. Clear vision. David, it looks like maybe when it was on the machine or cutting machine. I don't know if you can see that right there, but yeah, you can see that right there if I put my fingers. I'm not sure what that is, but I just wanted to show that to you so when you got it, you didn't think that it was our doing. That came right out of a pack like that. So CJ Mosley and Mr. Hopkins for the Houston Texans. All right, guys. So we've got Beckham, number to 99. We have Sean Monahan, number to 99. Clarity, C.J. Mosley, and this is the box here. This is also a nice Brett Favre, McCoy, Cutler, Gurley, Lynch, Thomas. That wraps up the personal box 2015 Panini Clear Vision personal box for David Hackett. If you haven't, please go to our website, eastsidesportscards.com. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.